In Jamaica, pumpkin isn't just for soups. It's a staple in many traditional dishes. Curry pumpkin and saltfish is a humble yet powerful combination born from the island's creativity with simple ingredients. Saltfish came to the Caribbean during colonial times, when it was used as an affordable preserved protein for enslaved Africans. Over time, Jamaicans turned it into a delicacy, seasoning and pairing it with everything from ackee to pumpkin, cabbage, butter beans, baked beans, you name it. Curry powder, introduced by Indian immigrants in the 19th century, brought a whole new depth to Jamaican cooking. Today, the blend of curry pumpkin and saltfish is a true reflection of Jamaica's rich cultural mix, a plate full of history, struggle, and triumph, seasoned with love. Full recipe is on my blog where I have full control. I play chess, not checkers.